Did you know many people are having trouble detaching their IdeaPad D330 screens? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power off. Ensure your Lenovo IdeaPad D330 is turned off and unplugged from any power sources. Step 2. Position device. Position the device for easy access to the docking point between the tablet and the keyboard. Step 3. Detach tablet. Gently detach the tablet by sliding it in the direction indicated, away from the keyboard dock. Step 4. Handle carefully. Handle the detachment carefully to avoid causing any damage to the connector. Step 5. Separate parts. After detaching, separate the tablet and keyboard components and set them aside safely. With these simple steps, you should now be able to safely detach your Lenovo IdeaPad D330 screen. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Lenovo users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.